Some of the stuff I paint on now. A vase, a teapot, I paint on box cereal boxes, like it cereal, Oreo, anything.
Yeah, man, every man, every.
These are mother-in-law, some of the inspiration. So, keep coming here and see the community. It's just fun for me. I don't want to be what I bring. Maybe I can do more cereal boxes. Maybe I can do more teacup. Maybe I can do more.
Teacup is a nice thing. It's a nice idea.
So I don't know. So coming here, you can start.
Thing with this every Tuesday night.
Yes, man.
Hey, blessings, greetings, one love, and welcome again for those who have been here before. Welcome now to those who are just getting here for the first time. Welcome everyone to the Kingston Night Market. We are here, this is every Tuesday night. Right now, we are celebrating the kids tonight. And we have DJ Susie on the one and TV on the one that you blessings here, Shayna. Yeah, man, so